Hello students, today I am going to show you another sum from the chapter multiple angle exercise 11 from the book SND, and this is long answer type question and question number 12. In this question they have given if x minus 1 by x equal to 2i sine theta, then prove that x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 2i sine 4 theta. So how to show solution I am going to show you. So first I will write x minus 1 by x equal to 2i sine theta, and I am assigning this expression by equation 1. Now squaring both sides. Next we will get x minus 1 by x whole square equal to 2i sine theta whole square. Now we will apply a minus b whole square formula here. So that is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x a into b equal to 4i square sine square theta we will get. Now next what to do, x will be cancelled, x square plus 1 by x square equal to interchanging 2, so 2 minus 4 sine square theta. As we know, I equal to root over minus 1, so I square equal to root over minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1. So this minus 1 will be multiplied with this expression and we will get this result. So now x square plus 1 by x square equal to, we will take common 2 from this expression, we will get 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2 cos 2 theta we will get, and I am assigning this equation by equation number 2. As we know, 1 minus 2 sine square theta equal to cos 2 theta. Now next we need to find out x plus 1 by x, values of x plus 1 by x. So here we can write a square, applying a square plus b square formula, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 2 cos 2 theta. X will be cancelled, x plus 1 by x whole square equal to interchanging minus 2, so from left hand side to right hand side, so 2 minus 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta we will get. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to, we will take 2 common, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2 into 2 cos square theta. As we know, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 4 cos square theta. Now x plus 1 by x equal to 2 cos theta. This equation we will assign by equation number 3. Now we need to find out x square x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. So we can write x square minus 1 by x square whole square. So now a square minus b square formula we will apply, x square plus 1 by x square and x square minus 1 by x square. Now we can break this formula also, x square plus 1 by x square equal to x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So now x square plus 1 by x square we got, here I am showing you, x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2 cos 2 theta we got. So now here we are putting 2 cos 2 theta instead of x square plus 1 by x square. Now x plus 1 by x, we just got 2 cos 2 theta, so into 2 cos 2 theta. Now next sorry, 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta, and x minus 1 by x given, x minus 1 by x given 2i sin theta. So 2i sin theta. So next we will what to do, so we will write 2 into I into cos 2 theta into 2 into 2 cos theta into sin theta. Now 2 into I into cos 2 theta into 2, here we can write sin 2 theta. As we know, 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Now 2 into I into 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Here we can write 2 into I into sin 4 theta. Same formula we will apply. 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta equal to sin 4 theta we will get. So equal to RHS. Proved. Thank you students. That is all for today.